In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate automatic email forwarding in Gmail. Automatic forwarding can be helpful when you need copies of messages sent to another inbox, but it can also create confusion, missed replies, or extra inbox clutter. Turning it off is quick, and once you save the change, Gmail will stop sending your incoming mail to the forwarding address. To begin, open Gmail on your computer using a web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Gmail account, especially if you manage more than one. When your inbox loads, go to the top right corner of the screen and find the settings icon that looks like a small gear. Click that gear to open the settings menu. A panel will appear with a few quick options, but for forwarding controls, you will need the full settings page. In that panel, click See All Settings. This will take you into the complete Gmail settings area where you can manage how your mail is handled. Across the top of the settings page, you will see several tabs. Select the tab labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP. This section includes options for forwarding and also controls for accessing Gmail using POP or IMAP. Stay in the forwarding area near the top. In the forwarding section, look for the forwarding options and select the radio button that says Disable Forwarding. This tells Gmail to stop automatically sending copies of your emails to any forwarding address that was previously enabled. If you have filters that were set up to forward certain messages, disabling forwarding here is still an important first step because it turns off account-level forwarding. After selecting Disable Forwarding, do not leave the page yet. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings screen. Gmail will not apply your change until you save it. At the bottom, click Save Changes. Gmail will reload your inbox or confirm the update, and at that point, forwarding will be deactivated. If you ever need to re-enable forwarding later, you can return to this same tab and adjust the forwarding setting again, and that is all there is to it.